Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please stay, continue watching this video. I'm super excited to be filming this look that I still don't have an idea what I'm gonna be doing. But I just did a little shopping earlier this week, so I have a few new products that I want to show you guys in this tutorial. I think we're gonna be going with a glam tutorial again, but more of a smoky eye. But I've never done a smoky eye before. We're gonna see how this video turns out. And with no further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so first off, I did want to mention the products in my hair because I actually really like this hair look here today, except for this one little curl. There we go. Perfect. I took a shower, got out of the shower, and then right out of the shower, I went and got this. I have this Brazil nut Define and No Frizz because my hair gets kind of frizzy with like the weather and the climate. It gets super frizzy. Then I went and used a hair texturizer. It is this Hitman one here. It's super amazing if you have curly hair because it makes them so bouncy and voluptuous. Is that a word? And then I went in with some American Crew pomade. This stuff is just so amazing and I love it. Last night, which I don't know when this video is going to be going up, but last night I did a face mask. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my face is just a little bit brighter. And update on the brows from my very first video when I shaved them. So I went to Ulta in this makeup haul, my whole two things that I bought, and I got tweezers. So my eyebrows, they look pretty good, I would say. I like them, especially this one. This one is just my good eyebrow all the time. It's always the one with like the best arch and everything. And then I went and moisturized my face already. With that, we're gonna go in with the new and improved that everybody's talked about, and it's just taken me 10 years to buy, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And I'm so excited to try this. I am shade neutral 260. It says it's soft matte long wear foundation. I mean, you guys have heard this a million times on the reviews, so let's go ahead and just dive right in. This packaging though, like, can we pause for a hot minute? Oh, love it. Okay, we're gonna shake. Don't ask me why I smell it. We're gonna go ahead and go in with the e.l.f. primer here, Mineral Infused Face Primer. And then we're gonna go ahead and go in with the Porefessional primer. I do have the mini one. Don't make fun of me, please, and thank you. All right, face is prepped and primed. True test to Fenty Beauty. I did hear that this formula oxidizes really quickly as well as dries down really quickly. So I think I'm just gonna do half my face and then the other half of my face. And I'm just gonna be using a little beauty blender there. Okay, wow. Can you guys just see the difference between this side of my face and this side of my face? Wowza. And foundation is done. Wow. I'm so impressed. I do see a little bit of creasing on my forehead, so I'm just gonna buff that out really quickly. And then again, back with the Tarte Shape Tape in shade Light Medium. Buffed and blended, and we are ready to set that concealer, going in with the e.l.f. Luminance. I can't say it again. What the heck? I'm gonna attempt to use the beauty blender. I've never done it, but I'm gonna try it and see how it works. Wow, okay. I actually really liked using that little beauty blender to do that with. A lot better than I thought I would. Now that I've been baking for a little bit, gonna go ahead and use this Soraya Powder 801 brush and just brush that away. I feel like that shade, the Fenty Beauty shade, matched my skin so much better than the Kat Von D one. It feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on my face, kind of like the Kat Von D one, because that one's really thick and cakey.
Pretty prime.
Just gonna go in and set the rest of my face with this True Match powder with my big fluffy brush. Next is bronzer. I'm gonna go in with, again, Hoola Benefit bronzer with my other Soraya brush. It's the blush brush, the 803. A new product that I got from Ipsy, which is this package that you can get for $10 a month. They send you 5 products, and they're just little samples of makeup products and skincare. And I got this Ofra blush.
It smells kind of cute.
And I'm just gonna go in with this big fluffy brush, the Soraya brush, and see how that works.
Wow.
That was a lot of payoff.
Wow.
I see what's going on here. Oh, wow. I see where that is going. So next, the focus of this video is the eyes. I'm actually gonna go in with the Morphe 25A palette. It is brand new, open packaging with the plastic and everything. I mean, I swatched that shade, swatched that shade, swatched that shade. But other than that, I have not used anything from this palette. Just going in with this big fluffy Morphe brush here and taking this warmer brown right about there. Just a funny thing, my right eye is the eye that I need glasses for anyways. Whenever I go to do my left eye look, my eyebrow's better on this side, but I can't lift this eyebrow. Like, I have to lift both of them to get this one to lift. So doing this eye is really hard. That's the moral of the story. Continuing on the look, I'm gonna go in with this warmer toned brown right here, just because I want more of like a red smokier eye. I'm just gonna go back in with this big fluffy brush that I used to put my regular shade on and blend out the edges. And then I'm gonna go in with this angled shadow brush from Soraya. It is the 809. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this shade over here actually and pop that in the outer corner. Going back in with this red brush to blend that out on top. Found that it was becoming to get a little muddy, so I pulled more of the red back up into it. And then I'm gonna go in with a smaller pointed Morphe brush like this. It's a bit bigger and fluffier, but I'm gonna go into the darkest shade of brown down there, almost black, and pop that in the very, very outer. So I really love what I have going on right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this smaller pointer brush and dip into that red shade that I used in my upper crease and just drag that under my lower lash line. I'm gonna take a smaller pointer brush, go into the deepest shade in the palette, again that dark mocha brown that I had used earlier, and just tuck that right underneath. Next, I'm going to be taking the Max Fix Plus and just spritzing the tip of this brush here, and I'm gonna be going in with this red coppery toned one, and I'm just gonna pop that right on my lid. Moment of truth. As I stated in my previous video, I do not, have not, most likely will not, but we're going to today, have done wing liner. And I'm gonna be taking the LA Colors liquid liner and we're gonna try to do this wing. If we mess up, I don't know what we're gonna do. Cry, fall into a hole, jump off a bridge, all of the above, because I'm incredibly nervous. I don't even really know how to start with this. I mean, do you pull your eye out like this?
We're struggling.
Okay, I tried the winged liner and it didn't turn out too bad. So since it wasn't exactly what I wanted, I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the black shade in the 25A palette with a line brush, like a flat brush. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that red again and just blend on top of it. If we put on lashes, that'll pull the look together. And I'm just gonna be using the Ardell lashes, the faux mink ones, these cute little babies here, because I love, love, love them. And guess what I have? Tweezers and eyelashes are on and finished. Next, we're gonna move on to the lips, and I got this new Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in shade Baracuda. It's more of a red shade, which is so gorgeous. We're just gonna go ahead and put that baby on. Now I'm just gonna go in again with my L'Oreal Luminance Carbon Black Mascara, and we put mascara on without hitting the bridge of my nose this time. Next is highlighter. I'm gonna be going in with the gold shade right there. I'm just highlighting the most important parts of my face, which is everything. Morphine with the highlighter, and last but not least, our beautiful MAC Fix Plus setting spray. Alrighty guys, and that is the finished look right here. And if you did enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Comment what you think, what I need to do better, what you enjoyed. I will include all of the products that I use in the description box below. And with that, have a wonderful week. It was wonderful being here with you guys. Thanks so much for watching.